The evolution of technology is examined, examining current trends and emerging technologies. The video examines potential future inventions, a look into the exciting world of devices tomorrow. Create with precision using the Genmitsu Cubiko Affordable Desktop CNC, a powerful yet easy-to-use machine designed for makers of all skill levels. No complicated setup, just unbox, plug in, and start crafting. CNC carving, achieve precise engravings on wood, PCBs, and soft metals with plus 0.1 mm accuracy. PCB milling, auto-leveling technology compensates for uneven surfaces, ensuring flawless circuit cuts. Laser engraving, etch intricate patterns on wood, leather, and glass with ease. Precision drawing, create highly detailed designs efficiently, reducing production time. Polishing, restore scratched surfaces to their original shine. Quiet and clean operation, the enclosed design reduces noise levels to around 60 dB and minimizes dust. Smart controls, operate seamlessly via a computer, built-in panel, or the intuitive Genmitsu app. With the Genmitsu Cubiko Affordable Desktop CNC, creativity is just a click away, no hassle, no limits. Take control of what you eat and drink with the EcoTracker 3-in-1 Personal Food and Water Safety Tracker, a pocket-sized device that delivers instant results on contaminants in food and water. With high-precision sensors and a 3-second speed test, it ensures your safety at home, in stores, or while traveling. Detect harmful contaminants, measures nitrate and chloride levels in fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish. Check water quality instantly, monitors TDS and pH levels for safer drinking water. Precision you can trust, gold-coated 6-point probe with temperature compensation for accuracy. Effortless testing, pre-calibrated for 60-plus common foods, no expertise needed. Compact and travel-friendly, a sleek, portable design for on-the-go use. With the EcoTracker 3-in-1 Personal Food and Water Safety Tracker, make informed choices and safeguard your health with every meal. Experience big screen entertainment anywhere with Aurzen Zip Tri-Fold Projector, a pocket-sized powerhouse with zero-lag autofocus and effortless screen mirroring. Designed for ultimate portability, Zip delivers stunning visuals without the hassle. Enjoy instant clarity. TOF zero-lag autofocus measures distance 30 times per second for perfect focus and keystone correction. Stream without Wi-Fi, just tap mirror for seamless screen sharing, no internet needed. Watch anywhere. A built-in 5000 mAh battery provides up to 1.5 hours of playback, with 24 watts PD fast charging for quick recharges. Vertical viewing mode, rotate Zip for an immersive, borderless experience perfect for TikTok, Reels, and short-form content. Expand with accessories, MagPlay for hands-free mounting, CastPlay for wireless HDMI, and PowerPlay for extended battery life. Aurzen Zip Tri-Fold Projector makes movie nights, gaming, and streaming effortless wherever you are. Bring home the Rick and Morty Butterbot, TV show-inspired AI-powered robot, a high-tech collectible packed with personality and straight from the iconic Adult Swim series. Now more than a butter passer, this officially licensed Butterbot is a geek-worthy, interactive companion. Advanced AI fun, it talks, tells jokes, and plays classic games like tic-tac-toe and rock, paper, scissors. Remote control and live feed. Take the reins with a remote controller that streams live video directly from the bot's view. Intelligent assistant, set reminders, ask the time, or even set alarms with this responsive desk buddy. Face and object recognition, it recognizes faces and objects, adding a unique interactive touch. Circuit Mess and Geek Club have created a one-of-a-kind gadget that's part AI, part nostalgia, and all fun, perfect for fans and tech lovers alike. Craft a statement piece with the Casio Ring Watch CRW11, a stylish fusion of vintage inspiration and modern innovation. The sleek metal finish and functional setup make it a standout accessory. Full metal build, stainless steel construction gleams with a polished finish. Metal injection molding creates a seamless and durable design. Miniature digital module, the watch movement shrinks to fit on a finger. The 6-digit LCD displays time, calendar, dual time, and a stopwatch. Subtle pulsing glow, a preset time triggers a gentle light effect. This soft glow reflects the fleeting nature of time. Adjustable sizing, 2 spacers provide a customizable fit. The ring accommodates multiple finger sizes. Historic design inspiration, the brand revives its first innovation, the Ubua pipe. What's more, the design connects past ingenuity with modern craftsmanship. The Casio Ring Watch redefines wearable tech with bold design and practical features. Secure your space. My PDG My Personal Drone Guards autonomously protect your personal space with cutting-edge technology. It ensures you're safe in even the most extreme situations. Instant alerts notify authorities and loved ones of your location, and rest assured that help is on the way, all while capturing the entire event in live 4K resolution. Advanced flight mechanics. Each drone features a unique auto-eject and mid-air stabilization technique using reverse thrust and yaw torque for reliable, stable flight every time. Crystal clear surveillance. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the drones capture every detail in 4K at 60 FPS and 48 megapixel stills, ensuring clarity and precision. Unmatched durability. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium Gorilla Glass 6, these drones are built to last and protect. All-weather performance. With level 5 wind resistance and 1000 lumens of lighting, your drones stay visible and functional in any condition. Always charged. Enjoy fast Type-C, wireless, and thermoelectric charging options for continuous power, ensuring your drones are always ready to protect. My PDG My Personal Drone Guards offer unparalleled personal protection, keeping you safe and secure no matter where you are. Revolutionize the way you interact with technology using the L-Ring 2 ChatGPT-powered ring, a powerful wearable that combines AI-driven translation, gesture control, and more, all at your fingertips. AI-powered translation. Seamlessly communicate with real-time translation and voice-to-text powered by ChatGPT 4.0. Gesture control. Effortlessly navigate devices with over 20 customizable gestures for ultimate convenience. Air mouse functionality. Control your devices remotely with full system compatibility. Dual HD microphones. Capture clear voice commands and audio, ensuring precision in every interaction. Durable design. IPX7 waterproof and built to last while looking sleek on your finger. Perfect for tech enthusiasts who demand efficiency. L-Ring 2 brings you the future of hands-free control and communication. Whether you're navigating presentations, translating on the go, or managing your smart home, this smart ring has you covered. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.